Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Windows-based VPS with SMB shares using credentials, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to a Windows-based VPS with SMB shares using credentials, start by gathering the required information. Ensure you have the hostname or IP address of your VPS. Confirm that you have valid user credentials for the VPS. On your local machine, open File Explorer. In the address bar, type in the format / left bracket VPS _IP _address right bracket / left bracket share. Press enter to initiate the connection. If prompted, enter your username and password. Use the format domain / username for the username if necessary. Check the option to remember your credentials if you plan to access the share frequently. Click OK to proceed. If the credentials are correct, the SMB share will open, displaying its contents. In case of an error, double-check your username and password. Make sure that the SMB protocol is enabled on the VPS. If issues persist, consult the VPS settings or firewall configurations. For better security, consider using a VPN connection to access your VPS. Once connected, you can transfer files to and from the SMB share effortlessly. After use, safely disconnect from the share by closing the File Explorer window. This process ensures secure and reliable access to your Windows-based VPS with SMB shares. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.